Hello guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel Easy Learning. Today we are going to do history of a C language. C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories in the 1972. He was a computer scientist and wanted to develop a powerful and efficient language. So he takes the inspiration from various other languages like ALGOL, BCPL and the B language. Some key features of C language are here the data types were introduced that helps the programmers to understand and manipulate the different types of data. Here the code structure and readability were enhanced that helps the programmer to easily understand about the structure of the code. The C language integrates closely with the UNIX operating system that helps for system level programming. In 1983, American National Standard Institute (ANSI) appointed a technical committee to define a standard for C, and the standard for C was approved in 1989 and termed as ENSI-C. In 1990, ISO International Standards Organization approved the ENSIC standard and termed it as referred as EC89. Timeline of a C. Here is the timeline of a C, a diagram which can come in 5 marks or 2 or 10 marks. And he is the person, Dennis Ritchie, who invented the C language. Let's study timeline of a C in a brief. In 1960, ALGOL, an algorithmic language, was developed by an international group. In 1967, BCPL, Basic Combined Programming Language, was created by Martin Richards. In 1970, B, a precursor to a C or a foundation of a C language, was developed by Ken Thompson. And in 1972, finally, Dennis Ritchie developed the traditional C programming language at Bell Labs in 1972. In 1978, the C programming language, a seminal book for C programmers, were published by Kernighan and Ritchie. In 1983, the standard for C was defined and approved by the American National Standard Institute, termed as ENSI-C. In 1990, ISO approved the version of C, ANSI-C, and termed it as C89. In 1999, ISO C standard was released by the Standardization Committee with several new features and improvements to the language. Here are some important questions that can be asked in university level exams. Question 1 is you can ask to provide the timeline of the major milestones in the evolution of a C programming language. The answer to that question is here we can provide a diagram of the timeline and explain it. Second question is what is ANSI full form? Its full form is American National Standard Institute. Third question is who developed the C language? The answer to that question is Dennis Ritchie, a computer scientist at Bell Laboratories, developed the C language in 1972. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned for more information. Follow, like, subscribe, Easy Learning. Thank you so much.